Okay, let's get this sub box going. So really quickly, I'm going to open this and then we'll delve right on in. I always can't wait to see what the outside of the box is because that's what tells us a lot of times what's inside. And buddy, let me tell you something, leaves and all here. Oh, I can tell I already gonna like it. I can tell. And there it is, all in its glory. Wow, and this thing, let me tell you something, is heavy. It is very heavy, but look at that beautiful. That is so beautiful. All right, let's get to opening. And as always, when you have a sub box, happy 4th of July. We hope that you have an awesome month. Be on the lookout for our new division. Plan to be fun, coming soon. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. Okay, so first things first, I see some hot tamales. Fierce Cinnamon. She always gives us goodies. And then she gives us some confetti. So I'm going to put that to the side. Let's see here. See, it's always a surprise to us what we get. So I'm just going to open things as they come, okay? So first things first is Plan to be Fun. And here are some of the characters that are coming to the shop soon. So we get the first dibs. Oh my God, I love them. So cute. So there's that one. $2 Tuesday favorites. And it has Clean It, leggings and lattes, ghostin, mason jar, tea, what the fork, zero fox given. I've got a good heart, but this mouth, not today, Satan, camera, bills, washi, and then a planner. Too cute. And then Boo Bear, sticker stalking, singing, in the mailbox, keeping at the mailbox. That's cute. Let's see which. And then speech bubbles. I love those. Those are cool. Awesome. Those are neat. Let's put those back in there and put that right there. Oh, cool. Looky here, looky here. So we get a silver paper clip, a large blue with the stars on it clip. I love that clip too, by the way. And then a beautiful gemmed teardrop clip. Let me pull it out so I can show you. That's beautiful. Look at that. Dawn, y'all did it. Y'all did yourself, y'all. And then here is the kit. Let's see what the kit looks like. Hold on. Y'all know I have trouble with these things. I say it every time. Okay, so here's some star date dots. Oh, look at here. Here are your full boxes. That looks like it's just coming up off the paper. That's amazing. So here are your full boxes. I love them with your quarter boxes. Well, let's see if I can do it like this so y'all can still see it. Your quarter, your half, decorative half, sidebar, habit trackers, appointment boxes, and dots. Some more full boxes. Look at them cowboy boots, girls. That's awesome. 2 double boxes, and then some more full boxes in quarter boxes. So you have lots to choose from. Wow, and again, more full boxes on Independence Day, the 4th. These are amazing, guys. Wow. Your full bow check boxes in half, your bow flags and corner flags and bow decoratives, your Monday through Sunday, I love how they did those, your bottom washi and washi strips, your large flags, your glitter headers, your heart icons, and then laundry marquee balloons, and a bed. Your headers with food and asterisk. Ooh, your weekend banner with bunch of deco. Awesome deco. And then your doily with your working girls, your work, meeting, and appointment boxes. That kit is huge, guys. Wow. Huge. That's amazing. I'm gonna put the kit right here. And then, let's see. These are stickers, guys. Wow. Look at these stickers. The American flag, a bow, leaf, flags, a kerchief, flower, hat, donut, another donut, necklace. Oh, dropped them. Let me put those here. Continue. Bow, bottle, leaf, cupcake, sunglasses, red truck, donut, a drink, a 4, flower, balloons, and rose. Those are beautiful. Love, love, love those stickers. I will definitely be making a dashboard out of those. Cannot wait. And then here is the monthly kit. This is exciting. I see something here. Here is your monthly kit. It looks like it's done in the rose gold. That's beautiful. Wow. Corner and scallop, and then your days and your dates. That is beautiful. And then your sidebar, some flags, your icons with paydays, some full boxes, some quarter boxes, and dots. No, this is a strip down here. That's one long strip. That's cool. Oh, some deco with rest day, day off, planning session, and bill dues. I'm loving this deco, guys. And then back to the beginning. Wow, that's amazing. I cannot wait to use that. And when I do, I will definitely be putting it on the Journey site. And what is this? Oh my gosh. It's a passion planner, guys. Look at this. That is amazing. Oh my God. This is so amazing. Space of infinite possibilities, work to-do list, personal to-do list, this week's focus, good things happen. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. And then it has a full one. Wow. This is amazing. Thank you, thank you. This is so cool. This is amazing. And it's so beautiful. And it has a beautiful band to close it with. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. And a matching pen. Look at there. With the little stones in it. So beautiful. Wow. And then last but certainly not least, the gorgeous papers, cardstock that comes with it. Here's the front of one. Look at the colors are so vibrant. And then the back. The front. And then the back. Oh, I love that. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And then your vellum. Look at that. It comes like it's coming right off the paper, doesn't it? That's gorgeous. Then another. And then this one, the 4th of July. This is amazing, guys. Oh, look at that. Wow. Y'all, this box is amazing. I cannot believe it. You guys have got to go and get you one of these sub boxes. Oh my goodness. So you get tons in here, guys. It's so worth what you spend on it. So worth. You get way more than what you pay for. I promise you that. Y'all, so go check out the sub box. My code does not work on it, but you can use my name to get you a freebie as well. Definitely use my name, and I hope that you like this video. Definitely go check them out. I can't even say enough. This is so beautiful. I hope that you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed, and hit that bell so you can know when these notifications go on, when I have all these up. Please go check them out. I will have all their information down in the description below, and I hope that y'all have an awesome and very blessed day. Talk with you later. Happy 4th.